vibes I've been waiting on all night. You know, vibes crazy with it one time. Yeah, some real gangster motherfucking shit. Fuck your bitch. Yeah, she gotta suck my dick. Haha. Yeah. Are we flexing or what? Drop tops, rolling like a fucking Mafia boss, baby girl, I got my finger in your drawers. Round up applause for a nigga that done getting money, doing it. Big move from the ghetto, living in the hills. Penthouse suites, mansions, castles. That's what you're living in now. You a queen, this ain't a dream, this is real life. Baby girl, we're gonna fuck like two dogs tonight, cause I've been spending money, spending hundreds. Flexing with you all around town. You buying Dior and Gucci too. Ooh, boo, you clever. You know a nigga got money now, so you hooking on to me like motherfucking glue. Can never leave you. This is the moment you've been waiting for. Little superstar, shine out, baby. Ride dog, baby. Fuck you hard like a dog. You gon' squeal all night, baby. Ha! Yeah, rich young nigga lifestyle, and we do it alright. We on the vibe, sipping champagne every night. Flexing on our haters, flexing on her. Yeah, I'm talking big Benzes, I'm talking Jaguars, talking aeroplanes. Flying out to Spain, nigga ain't lame. 40,000 on my wrist, I'm sick. Little bitch, come and suck this dick. Yeah, flyers ever get more paper, more cheddar. Increasing my stacks. Pussy this, I got that cat AK. Yeah, we used to fire, but we at the grenade launches. Now I blow your whole motherfucking city down. Yeah. Life of a rich nigga, young player hustling, getting paper, we alright. Party every night, champagne sipping, big living. Bitches at the crib waiting to suck dick. I got checks on top of checks, flows on top of flows, hoes on top of flows. Crazy vibes when you rollin' with the slum, there ain't no dull moment. Yeah, fucking rich niggas for life. Yeah.